Are you tired of manually sorting through thousands of rows of data in Excel, only to find out that a crucial piece of information is missing? The if function is one of the most underutilized but powerful tools in Excel that can help you eliminate manual data entry and make data-driven decisions with confidence. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create and use 7 real-world if function examples that will revolutionize the way you work with data. The if function is a game changer because it allows you to test multiple conditions and return different results based on those conditions. The basic syntax is if logical underscore test, value underscore true, value underscore false. The logical underscore test is the condition you want to evaluate, and the value underscore true and value underscore false are the values you want to return if the condition is true or false. Let's dive into the first example using the if function to evaluate student grades. Suppose we have a list of student names